This is LumiGate, an open source gateway that turns Art-Net or sACN into real DMX512 built on a $5 ESP32. Across the top sits a live health readout, the DMX refresh rate, Wi-Fi signal, free memory, uptime, and timing jitter, all updating in real time. So one glance tells you the gateway is healthy. But it's more than a node. Open it in any browser and you see all 512 channels live. So you finally know exactly what your console is sending. Click any channel to take control. Name your fixtures here. Front wash left, and the label follows them through the grid and the change log. Grab the slider to fade a channel by hand. Straight from the browser. No console required. Snap to 0, half, or full, and hit Identify to flash a fixture for a moment so you can find it on a crowded truss in seconds. One click blacks everything out, while LumiGate keeps refreshing at 40 Hz, so the output never flickers. Below the grid, LumiGate keeps watch. Active senders shows every source on the wire, Art-Net or sACN, with its frame rate, and the changelog records exactly which channels moved when and from which console. Everything is configurable from the browser. No recompiling, no reflashing. Take in Art-Net, sACN, also known as E1.31, or both at once. And if two consoles ever fight over a universe, LumiGate warns you the instant it happens. It drives up to two independent, galvanically isolated DMX universes, each on its own output. And you don't have to guess at GPIO numbers. The visual pin picker shows your actual board, so you just point at a pad to assign it, and it keeps you clear of the pins you shouldn't touch. Run it over Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet, on DHCP or a fixed address, whatever your show network needs. A status indicator, a single LED, an RGB pixel, or the 5 LED panel on the custom board shows link and DMX state at a glance. There is an optional OLED display too. Give it a host name and reach it by name anywhere on your network. Updates are over the air. Pick any release or let it update itself. Firmware schematics and PCB are all open source, MIT licensed. And if you ever need a clean slate, one guarded switch resets the network. LumiGate. Build it on a breadboard for a few dollars or fabricate the open hardware board, then flash it straight from your browser. Link in the description.